What's up, everybody? Sean Profera here from Mac Papers and Packaging again, and I wanted to talk to you today a little bit about your ink and media. Let's say you just got that awesome new printer set up, and typically the technician or whoever comes out to set it up for you is going to maybe cover some of those consumables that you're going to need, obviously ink and material, but you're probably wondering, do I have to buy it from them? Can I buy it from anyone? Well, the short answer is yes. However, there's certain things you want to look for in a supplier for your ink and media. So some things like, what value do they bring to you other than just maybe the best price or the widest range of products? Well, how about when you go get your car repaired or you want to go get your car repaired? Do you kind of ask for references, maybe ask a friend? What do they typically say? I got a guy. Well, Mac Papers can be your guy. So we've got not only a whole wide range of products and some of the greatest prices on those products, but we have dedicated inside sales reps. We've got outside sales reps, someone that you're going to know, become friends with essentially, that's going to be able to help you out and point you in the right direction each time. So for more information, let's get a hold of Wide Format, Mac Papers, 844 Mac Wide. Catch you later.